A 12-year-old girl, an avid soccer player, frequently experiences coughing fits and noticeable wheezing after 20 minutes into her practice sessions. These symptoms seem to worsen during cold months. Despite her enthusiasm for sports, she feels obliged to stop playing due to the discomfort and breathing difficulties. Her coach observed that these symptoms often force her to sit out for the rest of the practice. She carries no medication and has not been evaluated for these symptoms previously. Her parents mention that she seems fine at rest, and these episodes typically resolve within an hour after ceasing exercise. What is the most likely cause of the girl's symptoms during sports activity? A. Common cold. B. Exercise-Induced Bronchoconstriction, EIB. C. Chronic bronchitis. D. Cardiac asthma. The correct answer is B. Exercise-Induced Bronchoconstriction, EIB. EIB specifically refers to the transient narrowing of the airways that occurs during or after exercise, particularly noted in individuals with underlying asthma. In the presented case, the symptoms of coughing and wheezing are triggered by exercise and are exacerbated in cold conditions. These are classic indicators of EIB. Managing EIB involves both non-pharmacologic strategies, such as improving cardiovascular fitness to reduce the ventilatory demand and avoiding exercise in cold, dry air, and pharmacologic approaches. Pre-exercise prophylactic treatments, such as using a short-acting beta agonist, SABA, like albuterol 5 to 20 minutes before exercise, are typically recommended. Other. To maintain her passion for sports and ensure safety during physical activities, it is important for the girl to receive an appropriate evaluation by a healthcare professional. A confirmed diagnosis will help tailor a management plan that allows her to participate in activities comfortably. This may include education on avoiding triggers, adherence to prescribed medications, and regular follow-ups to monitor her respiratory health. With the right approach, she can continue to enjoy sports without the frequent interruptions caused by her symptoms.